So yeah, there's gonna be some Thank God I finally found a better way. Thank God I finally found a better way. All right, showed up to the first job. So yeah. Very dark, but very cleanable. So I did let the customer know that there may be staining issues because it's been really neglected over the years by the renters. And if they ever want to do a color seal, that's an option. Because they originally were just going to rip all the tile out, but you know, if they like the way it looks, they're just probably just going to keep it in the shower area. I didn't guarantee results on this either, but really a little challenge, but I don't think it's a challenge, but I just love to see the contrast. All right, so stay tuned. So we're going to be using Carpet Details 8.1 pH, and cleans amazing. As you can tell, I've used higher pH products, and you know, I'm not a sales rep for these guys. I don't sell it, but I use it. So people probably think I'm, you know, part business owners of this. No. You know, if I can come up with a product of my own that works better, I'd be marketing that or sharing that. So think about that. Got some fans on here, and we're gonna seal our way out. So we got the multi-wash with the blue brushes. These are the grout brushes, guys. It comes with the black brushes, which is just, it's an all-purpose brush, and it does all right on grout, but the blue one's really kick butt. Then I did add the side brushes. That's an optional also. Add a side brush. It just gets you more coverage, and, you know, you get more done quicker amount of time, and plus you can get right up against some walls and stuff. If you're using neutral based cleaners or close to neutral, that you know, that's another reason why I like not such an aggressive cleaner. I prefer doing a little bit more agitation rather than high pH, because you don't have to worry about paint, you know, stripping off and stuff like that, things splashing up on stainless steels and doing some weird stuff. But you know, others do use high pH stuff, and I'm not talking down on them at all. I'm saying that I'm right. It's just my method, what I choose to do. There are some high pressure, some high pH products work really well, and you can even not agitate in a lot of cases. But you need to have the proper PSI to be able to do that. Mark Mokovich, I think his name, on his Facebook group, he does that. You know, but his PSI is 2,000, which is crazy to me. I'd be scared to do that, but he does it all day long for 20-something years. So, you know, the guy knows his stuff. I watch a lot of his videos, his tutorials on Facebook, because I'm always trying to up my game into tile stuff, and I'm getting more into the natural stone. I've been doing tile for years, and tile, you know, easy for me. But getting into the natural stone polishing and refinishing, you know, this guy's really awesome guy. Him and Michael Morrill, I think his name. Anyway, she scrubbed this area. I'm gonna go ahead and follow behind her, and we're gonna do this area, I'm gonna do this area, and work our way out. What did I say about this stuff, man? Now I'm only cleaning at 900 PSI. That's all my machine does, unfortunately. If I would have knew that before I bought it, probably wouldn't have bought it. And that's totally my mistake. Machine that I wanted was out of stock. I needed something right away. My other hygromatic monster had 1200 PSI, so I figured this, since it's a newer machine, but it does the job. Sometimes you get some areas that just won't clean up with the scrubber or the pre-spray, so you get the copper brush, and this one's pretty worn down. Go over that big route. Cleans it up. There was some nice X right here. I'm not sure what it was, but that fixes it. Beautiful. Alright, so I'm going to seal it. This is the product I use for sealing most of my floors. Tile, natural stone, and spray bottle, flat mop, nice and clean. And for the shower, a wet a rag. Okay, and just kind of wipe it around. Oh, that's how I could get a glove, so I don't get the stuff on my hands when I'm wiping around the shower. But yeah, this is, you know, not even close to the final results. Because once this dries totally, by tomorrow you'll see total results, and they're already blown away. So tile cleaning, similar to carpet cleaning: pre-spray, agitate, extract. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and seal this and call this video a wrap. If you liked it, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. At the beginning of the video, when I was talking about the pH, I was thinking to myself, I probably got some guys saying, hey, well, you don't know what he's talking about. And then if they would have kept on watching the video a little longer, I would have told them, hey, that's just me. You know, other people do different methods, and, you know, it just is what it is. And I don't have a 2000 PSI truck mount, so using that high pH and no agitation and extraction is not an option for me and not for most people. But a really good cleaning solution really makes a difference. And yeah, see you next one.
So they can throw me in a penitentiary. I couldn't live life like that. And if I'm kinda rather die than live like that, think I'd have found a better way. Think I'd have found a better way. Think I'd have found a better way. Think I'd have found a better way.